Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get an American Eagle promo code that helped me save a significant amount of money on my American Eagle order, completely free. If you're looking for working American Eagle discount codes, coupon codes, or exclusive American Eagle deals, you're in the right place. So, how do you get the promo code? It's very simple. First, grab your mobile phone. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device, it works the same. Next, head to the website linked in the comments section below. Once you're on the site, use the search bar and type in American Eagle. Click on the result, scroll down, and you'll see the available American Eagle promo codes. Tap the Show Coupon button to instantly reveal your code. Keep in mind that these promo codes are limited and can expire quickly. To make sure no one else uses your discount, you'll need to unlock your personal American Eagle coupon code. If you want step-by-step instructions, check out the pinned comment below. I break down exactly where and how to get your American Eagle promo code so you can start saving right away.